Okay, so why PNSQC? As somebody who's been in the business for a few decades, and I've traveled all around the world in Asia and Europe and the United States, North America, and there are a few reasons. One, the team that pulls together this conference are top-notch professionals, and it's just run spectacularly. Another is that the level of intimacy, intellectual intimacy, allows you to have really substantive conversations that go deep on interesting topics that we all really care deeply about. So that's also different than some of the conferences where it's just this big mashup and you only skim the surface and you don't get to any of the kind of depth and substance that you get at PNSQC. Third, I'd say that the audience, I always find as a returning speaker, keynote, workshop leader, I've been here 3 times, they keep inviting me back. It's telling when you see that speakers like to come back to the venue and like to come back to this audience. It speaks a lot about the repeatness of how good and consistent and yet different each conference is over the years. And the people that you get to meet here are top-notch professionals. So in a panel session I talked about, it's not just what we as speakers convey as learnings from our observations in the industry, but it's what we learn from the audience. And I get a lot from the people, the professionals here. And then finally, the venue. Portland is just a magical place, and it's always great for an East Coaster like me to be back in the Pacific Northwest. So, in a nutshell, that's why PNSQC.